Morning students. Today we will study combination. Combination means just like a selection of certain object or object out of particular object or all of the object. For example, here see what is combination. Combination. Okay. Combination simply it stands for selection. It stands simply selection. See, and is given by NCR. This means there is a selection or collection of R object out of n object and is equal to factorial n divided by factorial R into factorial n minus R. Here suppose that we are going to find 5C2, then the value of 5C2 equal factorial 5 divided by factorial 2 into factorial 5 minus 2, and this is equal to factorial 5 divided by factorial 2 into factorial 3, 5 into 4 into factorial 3 divided by 2 into factorial 3, and is cancel out. This is equal to 5 into 4 divided by 2. 2 to the 4, 10. So 5C2 equal to 10. This is the answer. The value of 5C2 is 10. You can see here. How can you calculate? Now, see NC0. What is value of NC0? If you are taking NC0, then this is equal to सेकेंड कह सकते हैं इसको NC0 इक्वल फैक्टोरियल n अपॉन फैक्टोरियल 0 इंटू फैक्टोरियल n माइनस 0, एंड यू नो फैक्टोरियल n अपॉन फैक्टोरियल 0 इज 1 इंटू फैक्टोरियल n कैंसिल आउट, दिस इज 1, सो NC0 इक्वल 1. I hope you are clear about this. NC0 is 1. Now what is NC1? NC1 equal factorial n upon factorial 1 into factorial n minus 1. Here this is equal to n can be written n into factorial n minus 1 upon 1 into factorial n minus 1 cancel out. So NC1 equals NC1 is 1 and NC0 equal 1. NC1 equal n. So here you can say if here if there is any n, and if r is 0 then always 1. For example, if I ask you what is the value of 5C0, then you will say 1. What is 6C0? 1. 7C0? 1. ठीक है. So these are this is a property also कि NC0 is 1. But if I ask कि example 6 के 5 कह लेते हैं, here you know NC1 equal n. Then if I ask कि 5C1, then what is that? 5. 6C1 6. 7C1 7. If it is 1, then NC1 equal n. This is also property of a combination. Okay. See, come to some one more property. Here property argument 6. Suppose that I am saying you to find the value of 5C2. So this is equal to 10 because already 5 upon factorial 2 into factorial 3. So this is equal to 5 into 4 into factorial 3 divided by 2 into factorial 3. Cancel out 2 to the 4. So this is equal to 10. Similarly, if I say you can find the value of 5C3, then the value of 5c3 equal factorial 5 divided by factorial 3 into factorial 2. This is all same, so this is also 10. So one result here you will get 5c2 equal 5c3. This is also month. NCR equal NCR minus 1, yeah, NCR equal NCR plus 1. So these are the concepts and some results from combination. Come to one question more here, and the question is, there are 12 persons. Suppose that there are 12 person. There are 12 person around sitting in a group, and they handshake to each other. They see, listen, try to understand the question. There are 12 persons and they handshake to each other, and find the different number of handshakes. You know, total persons are 12, and the handshake, for the handshake it is required only 2 persons. So the total number of handshake equal number of handshakes इक्वल कितना आ जाएगा 12c2. दिस इज इक्वल टू फैक्टोरियल 12 डिवाइडेड बाय फैक्टोरियल 2 इंटू फैक्टोरियल 10, 12 इंटू 11 इंटू फैक्टोरियल 10, 2 into factorial 10. Cancel out. 2 6 are 12, and this is equal to 66. So this is answer. ठीक है, this is your answer. In 66 handshakes will be done out of 12 person. Okay, one question more. Question number 8. The question is, there are 15 students, and they handshake to each other. If there are total 15 students and they handshake to each other, but no neighboring students handshake. Okay, then find the number of handshakes. You know, the required handshake is 15c2. The total number of handshake can be made 15c2, but the condition is given कि no never handshake to each other. ठीक है, then if you know there it is required to minimum 2 person for the handshake. The 1 person cannot handshake 2 person. Then total are 15% so that is equal to 15 into 2. 30 handshake cannot be possible, but this will repeat, so just divide by 2. So this is answer 15. Then 15c2 can be calculated. Factorial 15 upon factorial 2 into 13 minus 15. ठीक है, so factorial 15 into 14 upon 2 into factorial 13 into factorial 13 minus 15. ये 2 7 जा, this is equal to 105 minus 15 equal 9. And there is one formula also for this condition, and the formula is NC2 minus n. This is the formula. If out of n person, ठीक है, any neighboring persons are not handshake, then NC2 minus n. This is the formula for the condition. See, in a test, one more question. Example 5. In a test paper, there are total 10 questions. There are total 10 questions, and out of these 10 questions, only 6 questions is to be selected to done. So, what are the number of possible ways to select the 6 questions? 6 questions is to be selected. 6 questions is to or to select. Okay. And you know, total are 10 questions, in which 6 questions is to be selected. So this is the total number of possible ways, and this is equal to factorial 10 upon factorial 6 into factorial 4, 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 divided by factorial 6 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This is cancel out factorial 6, 4 2 ja 8, 3 3 ja 9. This is again, and 2 cancel out, 10 into 3 30 into 7 210, and this is your answer. So these are the total number of possible ways in which a student can select the 6 questions out of 10 questions. I hope everyone is clear about these questions and concept which I have given today. In the next session, we will discuss with some more important questions and concept related to combination. Thank you, students.